Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel Mathematical Lens by Namita. In this video, we are going to continue with chapter number 4, expressions using letters and numbers of grade 7 mathematics of the new NCERT textbook Ganit Prakash. So last time we understood the notion of letter numbers. Okay, so we will solve an exercise, figure it out exercise, which is given on page number 84 and 85 in this video. Okay, so let us start. First question is, write the formula for the perimeter of a triangle. First is of a triangle with all equal sides. Okay, so triangle with all equal sides means, okay, it's an equilateral triangle, so all sides are equal. And we multiplied by 3. See, you can add. What is perimeter? It is the length of its boundary. So you can add side plus side plus side. But instead of that, you can even multiply it by 3. So what will be the formula over here? 3 multiplied by, you can take the side as S, you can take the side as T, whichever letter you wish to. So I am taking it as T. So T represents the number of sides and there are 3 sides. So 3T is the formula. Okay. So a regular pentagon, right? Regular means all sides are equal and all angles are equal. So regular pentagon. Pentagon means 5 sides. So as here it is 3 sides, here it will be 5 sides. So we write the formula as 5P, right? Then a regular hexagon. Again, regular means all sides equal. Hexagon means 6 sides. So we can take the formula as 6H. Okay, so this is how we learn to make formulas, write formulas on our own. Now you don't need to learn it by heart. Okay, now there is question number 2. Muri Ratna has a 20-meter long pipe. However, he wants a longer watering pipe for his garden. So already he has 20 meters. So he joins another pipe of some length that we don't know. So give the expression for the combined length of the pipe using the letter number K. Okay. So he already has a pipe whose length is 20 and some length which we don't know that we have taken as K. He adds to it. So 20 plus K will be the length of the new pipe, and this we need to write in meters. Okay, the unit is meter over here. It is given, so always write the unit. Fine. So this is answer number 2. Now question number 3 says, what is the total amount Kritika has if she has the following number of notes, right? Rupees 100 note, rupees 20 note, rupees 5 note. So we have to complete the table accordingly. So here you see 300 rupee note, 520 rupee note and 6 5 rupee note. Okay. So what we will do here, 300 rupee note. So 3 multiplied by 100 plus how many notes of 20? 5 notes of 20 and 6 notes of rupees 5. Right, so here the answer will be 300 plus 100 plus 30. Okay, 6 5s are 30. So total is 430. Okay, this is how you can find out the total amount. Now here already 6 into 100 means 6 notes of 100. We have to complete the table. Then 4 notes of 20, so 4 here, and 3 notes of 5, so 3 here. Okay. Now 8 notes of 100, so 8 into 100 plus 4 into 20, 4 notes of 20, so 4 into 20, so it's 20 plus Z notes of 5. Okay, they don't know how many notes of 5, so they have represented it with a letter number. So Z notes of 5 means 5Z. 5 multiplied by z, or you can understand it as 5z. So what will happen over here? 8 into 100 is 800 plus 4 into 20 is 80, 4 to the 8 and 1 0 plus 5 into z is 5z. So we will add the numbers. You can't add 5 with this. This you need to remember. We can just add the numbers 800 plus 80. So that is 880 and plus 5z you will write. Okay. So this is how you will fill the table. Now in the third question it is xz of x nodes of 100, y nodes of 200 and z nodes of 5. Okay. So 100 into x. So we can write now, you know that you can just write 100x, 100 into x. So 100x plus y 20, y nodes of 20. So 20y. Always write down the number first and then the variable. Plus z nodes of 5. So 5z. This will be the expression, total amount you can find out once you know the table of x, y and z. Now, Venkat Lakshmi owns a flour mill. It takes 10 seconds for the roller mill to start running. Now, once it is running, each kg of grain takes 8 seconds to grind the powder. Right? So, which of the expression below describes the time taken to complete the grid? To complete grind of y kg. We don't know how many kg she wants, so y kg of grain. So assuming the machine is off initially. So if you start the machine, it takes 10 seconds. So 10 seconds is the initial time it will take always. Okay. And 8 seconds for each kg. 8 seconds for each kg. So here they have given y kg. So for y kg, it will take 8y. 8y seconds, right? 8 into y, 8y seconds. Already 10 seconds it has taken to start. So 10 plus 8y. So let us see which one is the equation. This is all addition. So 10 plus 8y. So option D is correct. Okay, so this is how you can form the algebraic expression. Now question number 5. Write algebraic expression using letters of your choice. Okay. So first is 5 more than a number. So we take the number suppose as x. So it will be x plus 5. 5 more means plus, we will add. Okay. Then 4 less than a number. Right. So if we take the number as z, 4 less than that. So z minus 4 will be the expression. Okay. 2 less than 13 times a number. Now 13 times a number means times means multiplication. So 13 times, suppose we take the number as m. So 13 times means 13m and 2 less than that. So minus 2. Now in question D it is given as 13 less than 2 times a number. So here the number is 2 times. So suppose we take the number as n. So 2n and 13 less than that. So this will be the expression. Okay. Question number 6. Describe the situation corresponding to the following algebraic expression. So here you can see 8 into x. So 8 times x added to 3 times y. Or you can write 3 times y added to 8 times x. Fine. Another question is 15 into j minus 2 into k. So always whenever there is a subtraction sign, start with the right hand side expression. Like 2 times k, always write first that. 2 times k subtracted from, because this word from confuses a lot. Subtracted from what? 15 times j. Right? 15 times j minus 2 times k. That also can be written, but If you want to use the word subtracted from, then always write 2k first and then 15g. Right? Question number 7. Now, in a calendar month, if you see this 2 by 3 grid, right? Let me just expand it a little more. So, you can see the numbers which are highlighted 12, 13, 14 and 19, 20, 21, right? This is the grid shown over here. So suppose we take the number, this number 20 as W, okay, if the number is not given. And so left hand side it is W minus 1 because 20 minus 1 is 19. So we need to fill in this column, this all the full grid, okay, depending upon this W. So if the bottom middle cell has the date W, what will be the date here on the right side? It will be W plus 1, right? Because you can see here it is 21. Now if we have to write all answers with respect to W. So if you can see, this one is W minus 7 because it is 7 less. 13 is 7 less than 20. This will be W minus 8 because it is 12. So here you can write W minus 8. Fine. And the right side you can see here, this is 20, this is 14, so it is 6 less. So W minus 6. Right. So we have seen this particular 2 by 3 grid and written all the expressions related to W. But this will be applicable to any grid 2 by 3 grid, whichever you pick up. So if you take, suppose the grid which is below this, suppose you choose this one, 19 and this 20. This grid. So then also, if we take 27 as W, this will be W minus 1, 26, W plus 1, 28, W minus 7 will be this 20, W minus 8 will be 19, W minus 6 will be 21, right? So this will be applicable to any 2 by 3 grid on the calendar, right? That's why we can form expressions and get any number on the calendar, okay? So with this, we have completed the figure it out exercise. We'll continue with this chapter in the next video. Thank you.